Hello everyone, welcome to a new video of my YouTube channel. So in this video I am going to show you that how you can delete or save password from your Google Chrome browser. So for a lot of reason we save our passwords in our Google Chrome browser, which actually save into our Google account. So now I am going to show you that how you can remove those passwords from your Google accounts. So for doing that you have to go to history of your browser. You have to use the keyboard shortcuts control plus h, which will take you into the history. Okay, history. So if you don't use the keyboard option, you can go to this, click on this three dot option, then click on history, other you will get the option. Okay, then in the left side you will see an option called delete browsing data. Then this type of a pop-up will open, delete browsing data. You have to go to advanced option. Okay, then in the middle of the version you will see passwords and other sign-in data. So all you need to do, you have to click on all time range all time, then you have to uncheck this option, browsing history, deleting history, cookies and other site data, cache image and file. So all you need to do, you need to select and passwords and other sign-in data. So now if now just click on the delete data option, the all the passwords of your Google Chrome will be removed. So this is how you can remove the saving password from your Google Chrome browser. So thanks for watching. I will see you in the next video.